Friends, today I was speaking about beggars versus king and you. How much different? But suddenly, one people called me and that video has been cancelled. Yeah. That video has been cancelled. Otherwise, like that video I was making. So friends, again I'm starting. First of all, I want to please you subscribe my channel. Because if you support me, then YouTuber will support me. Otherwise, you will not support me. YouTuber will not support me. That so I am saying. So friends, today my topic will be beggars versus beggars versus you. It means all of us. So friends, I am saying you. I am saying you who peoples. That means who beggars will come to your house. Please you don't move him without giving something. Yeah. Without giving something, please you don't move him, because this is big deal. This is big things. It is very important things. Please you can imagine. You can imagine God made you. God made you king. God made you governor. But God made him beggar. How much different? Please you can imagine. I'm not saying. I'm saying please you don't move him. Who peoples, who beggars will come to your house. Please you give him something. Whatever you have power. That peoples is not demand with you. That's all. He is not demanding your all wealth. He is demand only. He came for you only that 10 rupees, 5 rupees. So friends and all of us, I want to say you, please you give him something. You you don't move him empty hands. So friends, how much difference? If God will want that, God can make you, God can make you beggar. And who is, now who is beggar? God will want, can him givener. That time what kind of your feel? So friends, as far as minds come to knowledge, and who peoples will come to your house for helping, please whatever you have power, whatever you can do, please you do something with him. So friends, I want to explain you. Please, in you don't do like this, that any peoples will say you bad peoples. And in whatever in this world, whatever as you will do, same you will get there. Remember one thing, this is not your real house. Your real house is another. Your real house is grab. One day you have to go to from here. You are saying, I have lot of money, I am boss here. No. You have to death one day. You have to death one day. Remember one thing. And God is saying, all of us will have to go to from here. I will not leave any peoples. So friends, and you have wealth, you don't do proud. Yeah. And you backbite, you don't backbite with each other. I give you example. When you are going to any place, any road, you saw any peoples has failed, and please you help him. And he need help, please you help him. That please you asked him, what is problem and what can do I help you, please. Yeah, in like this you asked him. That's in like this you make peoples, and God will help you. So today my topic was, please you help each other. That's your skill powers, and your honesty power will be grown. And please, unless you will live here, please you don't lie with each other. Yeah, this is not right things. So friends, I have to say you, in daily by daily I make video. That's my English speaking will be fluently. So like this I make video, and whatever in this speech in any matter happen mistake, friends, we want to apologize for that. Because friends, in now I am learning, so can be mistake. Yeah, friends, already you know, already you know, in whatever, when you will, we will learn new things. That time many times you will mistake, but slow by slow you can improve. Same way, bro. In this time I am speaking, but any translate I mistake I know. But my heart will say one day in like this you are doing mistake, in on one mistake you will not do. But you you don't leave the practice, you don't leave the reading, you don't leave the writing. In like this you continue, and in practice keep on. One day you will get success. In whatever you have ambition, your ambition will be complete. In like this, and my wish and my ambition, that's any childrens, any boys, I can give advice them that please you like this do. And if you want to do in this world, in daily by daily, in what is your capacity, please you follow that. It is no so matter, God gives all of us something, is something capacity, but for that you have to search that what have I capacity, what can I do. Friends, I give example. In Shaman is speaking English, that what is different him and I, what is different he and I, there is there is nothing different. He has two legs, he has two hands, he has two ears, he has one mind. I have also two legs, two hands, one mind. He has no two mind. He has no two mind. Whatever he has, I have also. But different is something that in whatever he practice, whatever he read, same way you have to labors, you have to hard working. That's you can speak like him. People's is same, but labors is different. In how much you read the book, how much you writing, how much you practice in these things is happen different. And as he hard working, as he practice same way, you do that, one day you can make better like him. Yeah. So friends, in daily by daily I make video, and I can't I can't I can't make long video because I teach the children, so my time is happen. So next time I will meet you with next video. Friends, whatever in this speech happened mistake, for that you want to apologize, please you forgive me. And last time I want to say you, please you subscribe my channel. That's my subscribe very less, that in once time you will press button, your position will not be down, that any helpless boy that can be grow any with YouTube. So friends, you subscribe my channel.